Hi, guys. Okay, so today we have a new product to show off from SAFETEC Ventures. This will be our latest edition of breathalyzer. We call it SAFETEC Ultimate AT8801. Okay, first and foremost, let me show you how are we going to operate this thing. So it's going to be showing you off some basic operating, and then the function variables, and how to do a test, and how to change the inputs and readings and date and time. And I will be also showing to you a walkthrough on how to use the portable printer and the unit itself. Okay, first and foremost, you take a look at this particular product. Okay, it's very steady. Okay, yes, if you can feel that it's very steady and very tough, right? So it shouldn't be a problem when you drop it lah. Okay, and then you have this protective thing here, right? So what I'll do is I will remove it to show it to you a better thing or better resolution. Okay, yeah, forgot to tell you guys that actually this particular unit, right, is actually touch screen. Yeah, touch screen. Okay, this is how you put the mouthpiece. All right, let's try it out. And then over at the mouthpiece side here, you can see there is actually a LED over here. This LED is actually lights lah. You can actually come out some lights lah. And on this hand, this part here, this is actually the USB PC link to link it to the personal computer, or you can actually charge it. Okay, it's nice. And yep, of course. And this will be the buttons that they have over here. The feeling is very nice. It's like very solid feel of when you do a pressing, unlike how should I put it, a very nice feel touch lah. Right, okay, let's start it. Okay, oh yeah, for your information, when you do your charging, right, when you're charging this device, right, this will actually color up. Okay, let's fire it up. Okay, so this is how it goes. So it's a touchscreen. Okay, you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can change your everything, your features, how you want to work on this particular breathalyzer. Okay, so you can hear this is time. You can see this is actually the time. This is the current ambient temperature inside the room, and then this is the battery. So you can see the battery is fully charged up, right? Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, DEL records. DEL records mean deletion of records lah. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so before you go into the deletion of a record, right, you need to put in the password. Okay, I shall now show what is the password. So let's have a look. Okay, so when you have the password entered, they just put enter. When you press enter, you ask you to delete all, then you will delete all. All right, for information, this particular product, right, they can this particular item, breathalyzer, they can store 20,000 names and records inside there. 20,000 records inside. That's a lot lah. I think it's very seldom you will do some deletion of record lah. Okay, let's go for the second one. The, what is it called? Units. Okay, because in Malaysia, right, we have many types of different unit conversion. They convert to their own liking. Okay, so for this particular unit, it's good to have, you see all this being shown up here. You can choose this way of looking at the milligram per liters, and this one or this one or this one or this one. So for my customer, they are used to have this one. For all my customer, I usually give this particular type of way of reading. These are values, these are units. Okay, we call it. So just press enter. All right. And password. Okay, you can change the password to the password that you want to. To change the password, what you can do is you just press the current password that it has been defaulted to, and then after that you enter and put in your new password, which is you want whatever password that you wanted, and that's it. All right. Okay, alarm. Okay, this one, when you come to alarm, right, you can actually change the type of the type of level that you want it to be fail or pass. All right, for example, you want to pass is this particular 0.000. Let's put it as 0.000. Again, fail is 0.08. Enter. So you see, right? So right now, when it's passed, right, it will show a different type of color, a green color. When it fails, right, then it's gonna be like this particular amount. It will become fail lah. Anything that above that will be fail lah. Okay, that's enough for that one. Okay, preference. Okay, the preference for this particular unit, right, is only on the power setting. All right, so the power setting is basically about telling you when this thing will shut down if idle. If you never touch the filler, it will shut down. Okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or never. Okay, for this one, I will put it at 5 minutes, and that's it. And system. Okay, this will be the next calibration date. All right, this is the printing preference, which means you can actually print. Some people want to have 1 copy only. Some want to have 2 copies. Want to have 3 copies. 1 for the person, or 1 for the tester, and then the other one for the HR or whatnot. Alright, so right, for this one, right, I put it as 1 first lah. Huh? If the customer want to change it to anything else, he can always change. Okay, touchscreen settings. Touchscreen setting is same thing like how when we buy a phone, right? What we do is we need to touch to know this guy will actually feel that, okay, this is how we touch things, stuff like that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, records. Okay, you see, these are the record last known. So you see the record number is 10. Okay, then you can see your all the tests that you have done. In fact, if you know the record number here, you can actually go to directly to whichever the number is, number 10. See? Alright, and if you want to print it, just print. You go connect. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is the printer. So this particular printer is very simple to use. As always, let me cancel it first. Let me power on. Once it power on, okay, this is the standard type of print the thermal paper. Remember, just put this way. You see this, put in this way, and just close it. And if you want to fit, you can fit. So okay, right, so let's go to print. Right, so for this, for example, I need to print this particular result. I will just print. Dun. Remember the sign I said 1, right? So meaning you say this is only one printed only. If you want to do 2 or 3 or 4, you will become another one longer, so it become 2 print, 2 exact same one. Okay, this is printing. Oh, forgot to tell you, for all this, right, you see here, right, the test mode, active, tenant name, batch card, company, agent, testman, etc. Right, all this in fact is customizable. For example, you want to put tenant, they don't want to put that because this is particular set is for my customer, which is have tenant. So you can put staff name or batch card will be the same. The company you want to put default, anything you want to put agent will, if let's say there is an agent involvement, and a testman. The testman you can actually have a testman there lah, as a result. Okay, wait, yeah. Okay, so now test time. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Usually we put at 3 seconds. If you want to be longer, you can put 4, 5 seconds. Right? Okay, this one is very simple. It's self-explanatory. It's actually putting in the time and date only lah. Okay. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a full test, test of this product, and just to show you how fast and how easy it is lah. Okay, you see, right? This particular mouthpiece is called a one-way. It's a mouthpiece that which is one way. If you blow through here, you cannot go through one. Only can blow through here, because inside, if you can see, there is actually a valve. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So to attach your mouthpiece, you must always remember, right? Mouthpiece is always come with like this. It's always covered. Do not touch here. Okay. So all you need to do is just poke it up, just like that. Poke it up and then hook it there. Okay. Let me show it to you. I don't want to paste this one. It's like this. No. Okay. I paste this one. Okay. When you want to put in a mouthpiece this way. And you break it, right? Then you hold on to it because you are not touching the mouthpiece here, and attach. That's it. That's it. So when you attach already, how you do a test? Okay. So you see here, down here we got the screening and test. Let's go for test. Let's go. Very fast. Look, it's 000, so it's no problem lah. Okay, let's say once you've done a test already, you want to enter who is this fella. So my name, you want to put in my name, right? You press enter, you put in the person's name or whatever it is. Enter. And then whatever the ID that you want to put in, enter. This one you can skip, next, or cancel, and then print. That's it. Then what you do is print. There you go. Okay. Right. So screening, right, is actually we call it a test to show how to just to have whether you got negative or positive alcohol in the person's body. Okay, let's try this one, right? You can no need to use this particular mouthpiece. Let's test. Yeah, screening. I will blow here. Correct, right? No need to go enter lah. Cancel. Then you go for next test. Okay, now I want to show it to you with some kind of alcohol in my mouth. Yeah, this is alcohol. Yeah, it's for my testing purposes. Put it back here again. We do a test. Blow. Nampak? This is the level. Okay. So let's cancel it. Okay, when you cancel it, they ask you whether do you want to print or don't want to print or something. If you want to print, just press print lah. Okay. Okay, let's do cancel again, and then we do a screening one. Yeah, because the alcohol in my tongue finished already lah. Right. Right. So basically that's all. In fact, if you don't want to touch this part here, you can actually press here. So you go to screening. Remember? Cancel again. You press here. You want to do a full test? You do a full test. Okay. Cancel. You can press here. Okay, this is a features which is quite good if you ask me. When you press here, when you're in this screen, when you press one time, you know what happened? Aha, I see it got lights. So the lights were actually good for people who wants to see how you're going to put in the mouthpiece, or if you're in a dark area or whatnot, or you want to become a torchlight or anything like that, you can use it. To off it, press again, a fast press. Okay, then now let me show you what they have inside here. Okay, so this is actually a charger. Is to charge your devices, and also this is the cable and charger. Right, you see, this is and this is the adapter lah. And then for the portable printer, right? Okay, this is the port. This is the top port, which is mean this one is to put here for the portable printer charger. Okay, I realized that the portable printer, right? This type of portable printer is very reliable in the sense that a lot of customers, they love this type, and it's totally detached. Yes, it's totally detached, and you can work in between 5 meters. Well, the reason is, right, it's easier to use and very fast response compared to the ones that in built-in printer. And the built-in printer has some limitation because of the size, right? Because they want to make it smaller, so they cannot put such a big one, right? They need to put a smaller type, like this type. Like this. Oh, sorry. Like this type. Alright, so this is the different way lah. So this is a better, more portable, and easier to use. Okay, what else I need to show it to you? I think pretty much that's all. And I hope that if anyone will have more inquiries, just let me know, and just give me a call, and or just email me. We can give you a code. And for people who love to, people that use this particular breathalyzer, right, is usually in the oil and gas industry, for the oil and gas industry, for transportation, for workplace, for manufacturing, for construction, transportation, they can all use this product. And yeah, pretty much that's all. Thanks for now, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.